Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I want to talk about a few things that could possibly save your life one day. And these things are things probably you already know about, things maybe you don't realize what a lot of their uses are for. I certainly did not. The first one would be our activated charcoal. I knew about activated charcoal. I knew that it could be used almost like an ipecac. But what I didn't know was that it could also be used to treat the stench of putrefying skin. And the Egyptians actually did this. Yeah, I had no idea. The wounds, like obviously back then when they got cut and stuff like that, they didn't have the medical knowledge that we have now, so they used activated charcoal for skin irritations. And if the skin was obviously had gangrene or whatever the case may be, and you know how that can smell, activated charcoal took care of that. Intestinal ailments, antiseptic properties, ulcers, nosebleeds. I had no clue that activated charcoal can help with nosebleeds. ODs, obviously, and water filtration. So we all knew about that, but I had no clue about the nosebleeds. I had no idea. So the more you know. Another one would be Emergen-C, the brand Emergen-C. It helps build your immune system. Epsom salts. Obviously, Epsom salt baths actually can help detox your body from chemicals and other harmful substances. So it's really good to take an Epsom salt bath, however often you want to do that. I'm not saying you must do this every other day. I'm not saying God help me. No, I'm not saying that. But when you're soaking in your bath, put a little bit of Epsom salts in there. It'll do you some good, right? You can also make this into an electrolyte drink, and I have the recipe for it. So if you want to jot this down real quick, the recipe is a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/16 teaspoon of Morton light salt, the brand Morton light salt, 1/16 teaspoon of Epsom salt. And then if you want to put flavoring in there, because you know how even the electrolyte brand of the kids stuff that we would give the kids. Oh, what was it called? Pedialyte. You know how they had orange and grape and stuff like that? You can get, flavoring. Mix that up with 12 to 16 ounces of water. And there you have your own homemade, like Pedialyte, I guess you want to call it, okay? The next one would be cinnamon. Studies have shown that cinnamon may lower your blood glucose levels, which would help diabetics. So that, I didn't realize that. I really didn't. I use cinnamon all the time. So that's really good to know. And then the next one, this one's going to be really hard to even say. So I'm going to spell it out for you, and then I will try to pronounce it. So Oscillococcinum. Oscillococcinum. If your brain can compute that, thank you. Because anywho, it lessens the duration and the severity of flu symptoms. So, and then for obvious reasons, alcohol and peroxide, vitamins, and probiotics. So that is that. Those are the things that I have found that would be valuable to stockpile now if you can. Because, listen, no one knows what's coming, right? No one knows what state this country is going to be in. No one knows if we're going to be okay, if this is going to turn into a socialist country, if this is going to be communist country. Nobody knows. And if you say, yes, I do, no, you don't. Oh, God. I don't like to get political on my channel. I really don't. You know. And there's reasons behind that, because I don't want to get into a heated argument with anyone. Because, you know, I know that I have a lot of subscribers that are Republican, Democrat, Libertarian, and listen, I don't care about any of that. We're all here because we have one thing in common. Well, I'm sure we have a lot in common. But the one thing that we all have in common is that we all prepare. That's it. So let's keep that common ground and focus on that. End of story. Okay? So let's try and focus on getting these. Also, you know what? Elderberry. I know it can get a little expensive, elderberry, like at Walgreens and stuff like that. The Sambucol, that's my favorite brand, my go-to brand. But Walgreens is actually coming out with their brand, the Walgreens brand of the elderberry. So I'm probably going to be picking some of that up. But, you know, listen, elderberry is so awesome to have on hand. It really is. So if you can start stockpiling that up, please do. Please do. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive, keep prepping. And God bless. All right.